Okay, people and viewers, now is the process of reassembling the rear assembly on this Nitro TC3. I'm going to do the brake part first. I have these 4 screws right here, and what I'm going to do is put them back on. Take this one, put it in there. Gotta get the right driver. Line it up to the hole. Now screw these 4 back on. That's the first one. The second one goes the same way. Insert it in there. Screw that down, both of them down. Make sure they're tight. I'm going to move this out the way so I can work a little bit better. Then I take the brake lever part, put that on, making sure the lever is forward. And since this is metal to metal, I'm put a little dab of thread lock on there on each of the screws. That'll help it stay in place from the vibrating of the engine in the car when it's actually running. Alright, get that lined up just right. That's the first one. Same thing with the second one. And there you have it. Next part is to install the throttle linkage and brake linkage. All I gotta do is twist this one off, this end off, right here. Put this arm on like so. And then screw this back on. It's supposed to be about 1/16 of an inch of the thread showing. There you have it. Now that the brake's on, I'm going to put on the rear suspension. We have 4 screws that go to the 4 holes right here. Real simple. Flip my car back over like such so you can see. Get my driver. Do it like this. Line up the holes. Screw the 4 screws in there, and that'll be that. That's 1. Second one. Alright, let go. I'll take and put these hinge pins in like that so that it'll be on. Then I'll do the last 2 same way, screw them both in. This one and that one. That's 1 done, and now the second one. There we have it. Now for here, the droop is supposed to be 3. I've actually already done that. Did the droop with the droop screws right here. Set it up for 3. So that part is complete. Now that I've got the suspension on, I'm going to install the transmission right here, which is cleaned. Once again, 4 screws right there, 4 holes in the shaft. I'll put the shaft back into its proper place. Like that. I'll line it up on this one. Gotta make sure my brakes are set right too. Gotta have the brakes right. That's this little disc right here. Make sure it's lined up correctly, which it is now. Put the shaft on it. Slide it into there like that. Turn it over. Then I installed the 4 screws at the bottom of it. That's 1. 2. Trying to just get them threaded, then I can come back with the driver and thread it. We'll screw them all down. 3. And 4. Now I come with my driver, tighten off 4 of these now. Then after I do that, all I have to do is put the transmission braces on. And there's 4 screws for that too. Oh, by the way, for those who have been watching, you notice I do have my driver. I got my driver, or replaced it, thanks to my man from Hobby Workshop. He hooked me up. Alright, that's that side. Put those 2 braces back on. Put these 4 screws back in there. Wow, things move a lot faster when you have the right tools for the job. That's a universal law. That's 2 of them. Got 2 more right here. That's 1. And finally the last one. It's like that. Now on the bottom, these were loosened so I could actually get the braces off of the transmission case. So let me tighten these back up. This screw. And this screw. There you have it.